So we're going to be doing an ozone service on a 2020 BMW M340i. Ozone generator. So this is what we use for the service. So the ozone generator, it produces ozone gas to permanently destroy odors, bacteria, viruses, and mold in the vehicle by oxidation rather than masking them. This machine eliminates smoke, pest, and musty smell. Usually we do it for 30 to 60 minutes. Then we also replace the cabin filter and we spray some Ozone, which is air sanitizer. It cleans the air you breathe and eliminates odor as well.
Alright, so we're taking off the cabin air filter. In order to get the cabin air filter, we need to get this panel off. In order to get the panel off, we're going to loosen right over here. That's one plastic screw that is right over there. And there should be another plastic screw right over here. We're going to be loosening that up, and with that we'll be having this off. Once we take that off, what's going to be coming next is we're going to be taking out this light right here that connects. Let's take it out. Now that that's out, we can take this thing fully out. And now that that's out, over here, we're going to be getting some Torx, and we're going to unscrew the bolts that is right there, and one that is right over there. All right, let's go on and start taking out that bolt, which is over here. And we're going to be taking that other bolt that's all the way over here. Alright, now that the bolts are out, now we can start taking out the cabin filter. Cabin filter will be over here. There's a locking tab that's located right over here. We're going to be taking that out right over there. So let's start taking that out by pressing this in. And once that's pressed out, that should give us enough space to now go on the other side and start taking that one out, which will be right over here. Alright, move that out, move that aside, and over there, as you can see, the cabin popped out, and now we can take it out.
Okay, so here we have our ozone generator. So all we're gonna do is plug it in, turn on the timer. We're gonna do it for 45 minutes. We're gonna put it here in the middle. And then we're gonna close down all the windows, doors. And then we're gonna let it sit for 45 minutes. Okay, so we went ahead and let it sit for 45 minutes. So we went ahead and opened the doors to air out. Then we're gonna go ahead and install the cabin filter. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install this Ozone spray on the cabin filter. So this helps it give it a new smell. It also helps eliminate odors. So we're gonna go ahead and install the cabin filter now. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install our new cabin. So we're gonna go ahead and install it the same way we removed it. Okay. Then we're gonna close the lid. Make sure it grips on. Match it in. Both sides. Then we're gonna go ahead and install the screws. more right here. Okay. And with our T15, go ahead and install them. There we go. There we go. Then we're going to go ahead and install the cover. Don't forget to connect the light. Make sure you click it all the way in. And then we're gonna go ahead and install these little screws. Okay, so look, we're gonna go ahead and install it now. So make sure you wanna push up. There's a little return clip right here, and then push back. Make sure they're both in there. This one wasn't. Okay, now it is. This one. Okay. Looks like it's not hitting nothing. There we go. So it's in there. Go ahead and install these screws back on. There you go. This other one right here. Okay. Okay, and then it's secured. Make sure you hit it. Okay, that's how you install the cabin filter. Okay, so after we install the cabin filter, I'm gonna go and spray some on the vents. And after that, we're gonna spray some on the outside vents as well. Okay, we're gonna spray some on the outside vents.
You want to hold that for you?
Okay, we're gonna spray some on the vents outside. And then there's another one in here. Okay. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and turn on the car and put the AC on full blast. And then sit for a little bit. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and turn on the car. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the AC, full blast. And then we're gonna let it sit, keep it running for 10 minutes. And then after the 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and open the doors and let it air out, and then it's set to go.